Good afternoon. This is Anka Metcalf with TradeOutloud.com, and today is Wednesday, June 19th, 2013, and it is 12:35 p.m. Eastern Time, and it is just about an hour. We're about an hour and a half away from the FOMC press conference. Before that, let's take a look at some technical levels in the euro-dollar currency pair. We have had a really great uptrend on this currency pair. You could see the trend line here rising, and that is setting support higher and higher. So far, we have support that is set at 1.3380 fulcrum area, and we have resistance right into the 1.3415, so just a little bit higher than 1.3400. This is the 1 hour chart of the euro dollar, and right here we have a very bullish triangle that is forming, and we have positive price action. Now this can change in a second, and so it all depends on the FOMC rate decision. Okay, so now let's take a look at the daily chart to see some potential targets. So the more we trade, and if we take out the 1.3400 price level, so pretty much the price that it is trading right now. So if we take out yesterday's high, we have a high potential for an upside move of 100 pips right into the 1.3500 level. This is for short-term traders. For longer-term traders, if the trade remains higher, then we should look for the next two targets at 1.3600 and 1.3700. Now let's go back to the 1 hour chart and see what would happen if we take out the low of the support at 1.3380. If we take out this low, and if we trade around this ascending support trend line into this area, and if we breach this area as well of 1.3370, then we have high odds of continuing lower into yesterday's low. If yesterday's low is taken out at 1.3325, then we have high odds of continuing lower. And these are the targets, the short-term targets that we will be looking at. Now, we're expecting a lot of volatility in this currency pair within the next hour and a half or so. And the levels that we will be looking at are this second line of support level that is set at 1.3287, and the next one at 3250, which is a fulcrum area. Now let's go into the daily chart and look at some daily support levels. So if we take out, like we said, the 3380 level, then we have a clear tradable void that can project the price much steeper into a much steeper retracement at about 1.3170 level. This was all for today. Thank you so much for listening. Hope to see you next time.